we're just talking about Sonance outdoor audio. Got a great example here today of a fantastic garden coverage. The client said to the integrator that they wanted to have sound throughout the whole garden on their quite large property with fields, etc., and gardens. So the integrator suggested that that they put in a garden 16.2 system. This is 16 little satellites and 2 big subwoofers. The great thing about this is they've got even coverage of sound anywhere in the garden, and as you can see from the video, it is a very expansive garden. And the thing is, in the traditional way of doing speakers, you ended up with a very big hotspot by a very large speaker, probably attached to the side of the house, which no one could ever talk in if they were standing near the speaker. And then 10 yards away, you couldn't hear the music at all. With the new Sonance system, because of the multiple satellites, you get this very even coverage throughout the whole garden. And the other thing, as you can see from the video, that because the satellites are quite small, these are the garden 3.5-inch satellites, they're very, very discreet, and you can hide them in the flower beds. So really, if you're not using the system, unless you look carefully, you don't even know there are speakers in the garden. It's all linked back to a simple audio amplifier, which means that when the client wants to come out and turn the music on, it could be a Wednesday night just with their family, it's just one touch on their phone and the music's playing, and they've got great quality audio for use anytime in the garden. Thank you.
So welcome to our garden. We entertain here a lot. Really lovely space, nice spot just outside Alton. I did have Bluetooth speakers before, but as you'll all know, when you turn the volume up, they don't sound great. So we wanted to have a system put in, but my wife wanted it to be discreet. She didn't want big speakers everywhere. Not that I'd have minded, but anyway, so Habitech recommended this system, which is hidden in the flower beds, really discreet and awesome sound. So turn the volume up and it doesn't distort. So really good for entertaining, and that's the way we go.
Hello, my name is Matthew, and I want to tell you today a little bit about the Sonance speaker system we had installed in our garden last year. It's been an absolute joy to be able to use it, particularly during the recent period of lockdown, and enjoy the quality of the sound outside, total control with an app, straightforward, weatherproof. You can put it there and leave it there, but it's a proper system, and to bother with batteries and bringing stuff outside. It's been a joy. The family's enjoyed it, friends have enjoyed it. Thoroughly recommend it.
I first got the Sonance sound system installed a couple of years ago. I absolutely love it. The sound is absolutely amazing. You can't see the speakers at all, and when people come round, they think, where's all that sound coming from? You know, and the sounds, you can either have it really low, and that's really good quality, or you can really crank it up. And when you crank it up, it's like being in a nightclub. The place absolutely bounces. It's just absolutely amazing. You know, it's one of the best things I've ever bought. And I don't just use it for family and friends. When I'm gardening, during the course of the whole year, I've got my sound system on, and it's really, really cool. One of the best things about this sound system is it really draws people outside, be that family or friends. Everyone just wants to get out here and get their music on the sound system. So it's really made our garden another room within the house. And you know, it's totally waterproof. Everything the English weather can throw at it makes no difference. We've had absolutely no problems with it whatsoever. It's one of the best things I've ever bought.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. Click below to subscribe and be sure to follow Inside CI on Twitter, Facebook and Google+.